Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Hello everyone. If you are interested in creating your own wreath and adding your own style, your own colors, your different florals, you want to join my wreath making class. I have it now available for purchase. I will have the link down below and you can go ahead and purchase the tutorial where you will have it forever. It's your own digital copy. So if you would like to learn how to make a fall wreath or any wreath for any seasonal decor, definitely you would like to go to my website and download that wreath making tutorial. It is easy, it is step by step, and I am with you all the way through. It's also a lot of fun. So thank you so much in advance for your support, and I will see you in class. Hey guys, happy Sunday. How are you? I hope you guys are having a fantabulous morning, a fantabulous Sunday. So I just wanted to show you guys something I thought of. I was coming out of Kaylabeezy's bedroom and I thought about it. I was just like, oh, you know, I could put a cabinet in this particular space and I can use it for my pantry / whatever. And then I thought about it, I already have like a bookshelf cabinet situation. So I moved it from the living room and moved it back into the kitchen. And I think that it looks so good right where it is. So I am getting ready to do like a little cafe curtain situation to cover some of the, you know, the little rough edges and things like that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So y'all remember this cabinet, right? So I moved it from the living room and back into the kitchen because I just thought that it looks so good. And coming from Kaylabeezy's bedroom with, you know, this hutch being right here and everything, I just thought it looked so cozy. And then I'm thinking like once I get the kitchen island in and everything, like it's gonna look so good. So this is going to be like our pantry basically. I'm going to put all of our dry goods and everything in, you know, on these shelves, and then inside of the drawers will be like our snacks and, you know, all the things that we need. So I just want to put a cafe curtain right here. I already have a tension rod right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make the curtain because I do have the material and it's like a fall vibe type of material and I'm loving it. To cover this rough edge because I could get like one of those laminate covers, but I don't have it at this moment. So I'm going to go ahead, make a cafe curtain, put it on the tension rod and see how that looks. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. So let's go ahead and do that. So you guys, this is the cafe curtain. Well, this is the material that I'm going to be using. It's like a fall material. I got it from Walmart and I think it was like $4.98 or something like that. And it's 1 yard. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make the cafe curtain. I'm going to measure it out just so that I'll know exactly what size I need. And I'm going to go ahead and glue it. So it's a no-sew project.
She holds
a no-sew curtain for my hutch bookshelf.
Seem to be improvised. What can you do when you're head over heels in love? No need to fight, but it's keeping her up all through the night. No end in sight.
So guys, that is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, doesn't that just look so good? Wow, it feels so cozy and cottagey in here. So what I'll put like behind the curtain is like bulk stuff. So like rice and flour and you know, all the bulk stuff that I don't want to be shown, and then put all the pretty stuff up top that is going to be in like the glass jars and, you know, cereal containers and all the beautiful, wonderful things. Y'all, this just looks so good, and I am so pleased with it because it looks exactly the way that I wanted it to look in my mind, and I love it. I just love it so much. Isn't it just so beautiful, you guys? So let me know what y'all think. Tell me down in the comment section what you guys think about it. I just love it so much. I mean, it hides this little rough edge, you know, and it's so pretty, and I could hide stuff, you know, I could put stuff back there, like all the rice and all the things back there, and it just hides everything, and I just love it so much. I'm going to fix this edge because I don't like that edge is showing, but it just looks so good, you guys, and it is fall. Like, it is fall. I think what I do think what I am gonna do is make one for every season, so that it can go with each season and change it out as the season changes. But oh my gosh, I just love it. And it makes the kitchen feel so cozy. Like, it's super cozy right now. Super cozy right now, and I just love it so much. So I'm gonna definitely go ahead and do all the organization and put all of my pantry things in there, and yeah, I'm excited. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I have things like, you know, these pasta sauce, pasta noodles, and my rice and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in there now.
For a while, trying to please everyone else around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped.
So there you go, guys. Oh my gosh, I have a pantry. There it goes. There goes everything that is in the pantry, all my dry goods. We're running low. I definitely have to get some things, but oh my goodness, I am so excited about it. And then I can just go ahead and close it off, and nobody will see, or, you know, nobody would even think like, hey, what's behind there? Yeah. Boom. So that is a tip for you guys. If you want to do some type of enclosed pantry, go on Facebook Marketplace, find yourself a nice bookshelf, and you can do that. And this project only cost me $4.98 because I already had the glue, and all I did was just purchase the 1 yard of material. And obviously you can purchase a yard of material, whatever, you know, style, color of your choice. And so I love it. I love how practical it is, but beautiful. And once I put all of the canisters and organizational stuff in there, oh my gosh, it's just going to look so beautiful, and I am super excited about it.
Trying to be like the rest, but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way. Gonna let the past burn down, 'cause honestly